is Winwalk number one and best app that you can use to get paid by walking, or is that a waste of time? Hey guys, welcome to my channel called Random Rewards. Today I'm gonna review Winwalk app. Now, what is Winwalk? Disclaimer: this app can collect data, just be aware of it. Winwalk, as name suggests, you get paid by walking. They count step and then they show you ads, and then that's the way you can earn. Of course, there is other ways to earn. I will go over each of them in a minute. Okay, so they has more than 1 million downloads and 4.2 positive ratings, and most of them, more or less everybody has a good review, and more or less all countries is available. Just to let you know, this app doesn't available on the iOS. So for the iOS user, they have to use other app, similar app. If you want me to review them or show you which are the best app, just comment down below and be sure to subscribe my channel. Now, there is no account and no need to create account. You just install the app and just open it. I get a cold, so my voice is actually terrified. I know this. I'm extremely sorry, but I will try my best to explain what is Winwalk is. Now, here is the Winwalk app, and you see my daily stakes. Once you reach, I believe, 100 steps, there will be some sort of coin things. You press it, shows you ad, and then you collect the coin. And for rest of the day, whatever steps you earn, that will be collected automatically. So this is the only thing manually you have to connect. You have to collect this coin to make sure you are earning. Tapping in this records thing, this just shows how much steps that I take for each day. Their app is very minimalistic. Tapping in the earn coin. So I was saying before, there has more ways you can earn. Watching ads, it just show you ads, short, I believe 1 minute long ad, and then you earn coins. They have playtime survey. I try the survey, but most of the time I get disqualified. There's the digital turbine offer. I'm not fan of digital turbine, and they has MMO. That's pretty much it. Tapping in the ranking, it just shows the user why they ranking so high. Okay, tapping in the profile thing. This is the steps again, and your profile. You may give them some information about you, so they can make an idea about Tapping in the start thing, this is just shows your accomplishment by doing activities, of course. Ranking thing I just showed you earlier, and the settings things is just terms and conditions. The step data source is just currently I'm using mobile sensor, but you can also connect Google Fit if you want to, or if you prefer. Of course, you can change the rhythm of the app if you like. Tapping in the coin thing, this is this is their way to generate more coins. You can I haven't withdraw any reward yet. They has only gift card. There is nothing other option. So I haven't reached the threshold. I'm gonna show you in a minute. But you can also invite friends you like, and of course this is the option that I showed you earlier. And now the moment reward shop is just the redeem option they has. It's not anything fancy. So yeah, the threshold is actually very high. They has lots of gift card you can choose in order to cash out. Even though the threshold is $10, because of the coin, 16,000 coins you need to reach in order to cash out. It's quite difficult actually. I don't even have 2,000 either, so I have no idea how long it's gonna take me to cash out. But yeah, if I did cash out, if I manage to did I cash out, then I will make a separate video and show you the payment proof. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Winwalk app. Honestly, the app is very simplistic. The system is very nice. However, the cash out option is actually worse. Reaching 16,000 coin threshold is not a joke actually, and that makes it a little bit worse than other step counter app. If you're not aware of them, all of them, I will make a separate video. Well, if you like this video, consider to subscribe my channel. Consider to drop a like and comment down below what's your opinion and what do you believe about Winwalk app. Thanks for watching. Peace.